Good morning, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. Wanted to do a quick auction end day walk-around video on our 1956 Austin Healey 100 BN2. This is a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder car, gorgeous and restored by the famous Kent Lambert for his collection. A car that we just cannot get over this color. It's just gorgeous. Florida green. This car achieved a gold winning certificate at the Austin Healey Concourse, and it remains just as nice to this day. Every piece of chrome, every surface of paint, every inch of this car, factory perfect. This car does have a soft top. It also has a tonneau cover and tools as well. And that giant binder that goes through the meticulous restoration this car received. A lot of talk has been going on in the chat about this first gear. I can't speak to Kent Lambert about this, but knowing the kind of guy he was and visiting his shop, I would say that if this car was supposed to have a whiny first gear from the factory, that is exactly why it has a whiny first gear now. He probably had 10 transmissions in his shop, and I'm sure he would have loved the opportunity to do some work on this car, but I don't think anything could be done to make this car any nicer. So bid with confidence. You are getting one beautiful Austin. The winner of this will be very proud to own this car. Thanks again, guys. Good luck.